Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove business account from Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove business account from Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and after that at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon at the bottom right. Tap on that, and over here again at the top right corner of the screen there is a three-lined icon. Tap on that three-lined icon, and over here scroll down until you can see the business tools and controls. Tap on that business tools and control, and from over here you will be required to tap on the switch account type option over here. And from over here guys, in order to remove business account from Instagram and you to switch back to personal account on Instagram, tap on the switch account to personal account, and then the business account type will be removed from your account and you'll be on the personal account. And then guys, this is how to remove business account from Instagram. And then guys, this is how to remove business account on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.